Hey guys, I'm making a brief video to announce that change is afoot. Since this channel's inception, it has grown tremendously, and an amazing community of Linux lovers and fans of free software alike have gathered together to enjoy one of our favorite topics. I've received some feedback over the recent months from subscribers, from things like dubstep is dead, to the channel's purpose not being easily understood by its name. In a way, I was using an older 1999 Matrix reference, which ushered a new era of techie cyberpunk awesomeness at the time. But for many newer subscribers, the meaning was lost in ambiguity.
I don't believe it. It's not possible.
So as such, I'm happy to announce that Free Your Mind is now growing to become Linux TV.
Hell yes.
A channel dedicated to Linux tutorials, reviews, news, and my thoughts on the latest in the free software world. This channel is mainly aimed at users who can use Linux for a bunch of different applications, not just programming or software development. The reason I'm choosing this is because I believe strongly that, while the open source aspect of Linux and its apps are of a particular benefit to developers and coders, Linux has grown to be so much more useful to everyday users like myself than it used to be. As such, you won't see a lot about code or programming tutorials here. There's plenty of great channels out there on the web for that. Linux TV is about Linux made easy, and there's a large collection of new videos in production heading down the pipeline straight to you. You've spoken, and I've listened. I'm very happy to announce Linux TV, and excited for the new lineup of what's to come. Thanks, guys, and looking forward to making 2020 nothing short of most excellent.